Welcome to a new video. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Also hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you are notified. For the repeat viewers, we thank you for the support. In today's video, we'll be talking about a hydropower project in Ethiopia, Koysha project. As per the 10-year strategic plan, Ethiopia needs some 20,000 megawatts electricity power for its nationwide economic development. The Ethiopia government plans to provide electric services to all parts of the country over the coming years. Ethiopia is known as to be power deficient country. Hence, the government of Ethiopia is making efforts to complete the construction of several hydropower projects, one of them being the GAD and now this Koysha hydropower project. This project is located in southern part of Ethiopia and is one of the hydropower projects being undertaken in this country. It has a capacity to generate 2,160 megawatts of electricity, and it's the second biggest hydropower project in Ethiopia. The biggest is Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, GAD. Apart from providing power to a country that is described as power deficient, the speedy completion of this project will also contribute to a lot of efforts being made to make the area one of the Ethiopia's key tourist destinations. Koysha is one of the new tourist destinations developed project in the southern nationalities and people's region, along with Gongora, Wanchi, which are located in Amhara and Oromia regional states, respectively. Koysha Hydroelectric project will be the fourth plant in a waterfall dam system on the Omo River. Other hydroelectric projects include Gibe 1, which has a capacity of producing 200 megawatts, Gibe 2, which has a capacity of 420 megawatts, and Gibe 3, which has a capacity of 1,870 megawatts. All these are currently in operation. There are other planned Gibe 3, Gibe 4, and Gibe 5, which will be constructed later. The contract for the creation of this plant, in terms of engineering, procurement, and construction, was signed on March 2016 by the Ethiopian Electric Power, which also commissioned this project. And the financing the project. This company or this government agency, Ethiopian Electric Power, is financing the project, and they signed an agreement with Salini Impregilo, an Italian company, which is constructing this project and others. The project includes the construction of a 175 meters high dam in Aurora compacted concrete with a holding capacity of 6,000 million cubic meters. The plant also comprises of an outdoor electric power stations, which host 8 Francis turbines with the capacity to generate 2,160 megawatts and an annual production capacity of 6,460 gigawatts. Floods will be discharged by means of gated spillway located on a saddle at the left side of the RCC dam, a large channel with a flip bucket designed for releasing flow of about 13,000 meter cubic per second in a plunge pool adjacent to the river downstream of the powerhouse. The dam is crossed by 3 steel penstocks feeding an open powerhouse. One of the intakes is lowered to allow the early generation using the first 2 units during the first impounding. Project includes a 2 6-meter diameter middle-level outlets which are embedded in the dam body, allowing to control the reservoir level during the first impounding, release artificial ecological flows, and lowering the reservoir level for inspection or maintenance needs. The river diversion layout includes 2 concrete culverts on the side of the river, which are aimed to divert the river during the dam construction and are designed to discharge 3,000 meter cubic per second, and an upstream composite RCC or rockfill cofferdam. Both the river diversion layout and the energy generation operating rules of Koysha have been optimized taken advantage of large flow of regulation capacity of the upstream Gibe 3 project. Tandem operations of the two projects allow to maximize energy generation and provide greater flexibility, guaranteeing power supply during the dry season and peak demand period. The main features of this dam, it's an RCC graffiti dam with a height of 175 meters and a crest length of 990 meters. RCC and a rockfill cover dam with a height of 42 meters and a length of 330 meters. There is a gated spillway which has a capacity of discharging 13,000 meters cubic per second. Penstocks which are 3 with a length of 0.65 kilometers. Powerhouse which is open air, has 8 turbines with a capacity of 2,160 combined. There's a switchyard and which has capacity to evacuate 400 kilovolts. The project is commissioned by the Ethiopian Electric Power, the EEP, the government agency which is in charge of electricity in Ethiopia. Other permanent works include a bridge over the Omo River and camps including facilities for the client. The project also includes access roads, a new bridge over the river, and a 400 kilovolts transmission line from Koysha to Gibe 3 for the purposes of evacuating power from this source. Koysha Dam project is expected to cost 2.5 billion euros. As we know, 95% of Ethiopia energy supply is achieved from hydro source. Currently, there are different efforts to cut hydropower share to 70% by generating from various renewable sources, including geothermal. Plans to fully electrify the country by 2025 are in the course. That's why the country has embarked on developing these hydropower projects. More than 65% of Ethiopians have no access to electricity, so completion of this project will go a long way in providing power to this population. In recent years, Ethiopia's domestic electricity demand has witnessed a dramatic increase, which is propelled by unprecedented growth in the GDP. Yet Ethiopia plans for electricity sector in the near future are even more ambitious. By 2025, the country is striving for 100% electricity access, a tenfold increase in power generation capacity since 2013 that would not only cover internal demand but also allow a substantial electricity export and a fully decarbonized economy. The key to becoming the green battery of Africa is accessing its exceptional renewable source potential, estimated to be around 60 gigawatts of electric power from hydropower, wind, solar, and geothermal sources, of which hydropower represents the largest, 45 gigawatts. The Ethiopian Electric Power Corporation has thus embarked on ambitious dam building programs intended to exploit the abundant water reserves. Among the mega infrastructure projects recent tribute are being constructed include the GAD, which is along the Blue River Nile, these Gibe 3, Gibe 2, Gibe 1, even up to Gibe 4, Gibe 4 and Gibe 5, and now Koysha. And some of these are already commissioned, like Gibe 3 was commissioned in 2015. And these has doubled the electricity capacity in Ethiopia. With the completion of this project, it is expected that they will go a long way in meeting the demands for electricity in Ethiopia. Omo River is a significant source of hydropower in Ethiopia. All the 5 gibes will be located in this river, and now Koysha. It's one of the largest and steepest Ethiopian rivers, and has been the main target of the dam expansion, given its remarkable reserve of enhanced hydropower potential. It originates from Ethiopian Shewa highlands and streams southwards through a mountainous area before slowing its pace as it meanders in the lower Omo River. At the Ethiopian-Kenyan border, the river forms an extensive delta and contributes about 90% of the inflow to Lake Turkana, and a lake which is in Rift Valley, and it's one of the world's largest desert lakes. But construction of this project, there has been opposition, because it's believed that with construction of so many projects along the Omo River, which is the main source of water for Lake Turkana, this might affect the waters in Lake Turkana. So we'll be following up to see how this will unfold, how the project will go on, whether the project will be beneficial as envisaged in solving the electricity problem in Ethiopia. So join us in our future videos as we embark on looking at the progress of this Koysha project and other projects which are designed along Omo River. So thank you for reaching this far. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever you upload a new video, you are notified. Welcome for more videos in the future.